Hello everybody, welcome back to Original TV. Now today I happen to be in an AI laboratory where I met a few friends and they showed me some stuff that I'm going to reveal to you in the later videos. But there is one particular thing that I want us to check right here in this box. It's very small but it's quite amazing, so I believe that you will love it. Let's check it out. So there you have it, guys, a very simple device that can be easily fixed and very simple to use. Now I'm going to leave a link to my Instagram and then Twitter account. If you want to get one of this, you could actually send me a message and I'll get you one at a very cool price. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then give this video a like if you actually learned something new. See you in the next video.